for your thoughts, but I'm done. I said that I would never build this up right here. You said thank you, but it won't be, son. I can't let this go. I'm on my way. You can't owe you're my diamond ring. I'll keep crawling back to say I love it, 'cause it's already taken everything.
Friendly, your side of the bed. The recreates of the scenes from glossy travel magazines, and they could go when I read them. I don't know what they've said, but they could sure are friendly on your side of the bed. Can't predict the weather on your side of the bed. The sun shines when it's sleeting, the clouds are tall and fleeting. I should have dressed in layers, but I wore my shorts instead. Can't predict the weather on your side of the bed.
City seems so tall, and soon the blackbirds will all disappear, and white days will bleach the sky, and I'll need a place where the sun never dies. 'Cause I must go on, never surrender my, oh my soul. In between the kings and the queens, there's a world that screams my name. Time will only stretch you from the past, and nothing will erase the footprints you leave behind, and everything around here dilates well enough time. Even my own reflection someday will become me.
'Cause you're gone.